So, Slayer's Auto Body, where we get your car looking nice and we get washed. Welcome back, everybody. You know, I notice whenever I record, I tend to walk around a lot, so if it throws focus off, I apologize. Come on. So, Rocks and Big Head going potty. We're gonna work on, we haven't found out a name for Darrions' car yet. I'm gonna start up Goku so I can pull him out. I mean, I need to let him warm up before I move. I'll probably pull that down there and we'll start pulling out right there. I think I have a plan with a ratchet strap. Not sure yet. But hope you guys are having a great day. I ordered clips off of Amazon so we could get Darrions' front bumper back on so we don't have to zip tie it. But I guess let's get to you guys. Oh, come on. Oh, man. Damn, we need to clean this thing out. That's from our trip. Oh, shit. Okay, come on. Come on. There we go. I can't see with this tent on the rear window, guys. That cheap tent, it's just glowing up. Sorry, that was pretty close to my face. Not gonna hold you. That was pretty close. Come on. This is pretty hard. Alright, so we're gonna strap it to a tree. That's my plan. Darrions' not gonna be over, so I'm just gonna start cracking on his car. Because I got this. We got this, right? Yeah, we got it. We got it. Alright, so what we're doing, we got a little baby hammer, body hammer in here. It's wet. They broke that little plastic piece with the flap. And this side's in. So, my plan, since this is broken, put like a big ratchet strap. It has a metal hook right here. And we're gonna start trying to pull it out and hit it out. Try to straighten it out and get this as square as we can. We're probably not gonna be able to say this, but I mean, yeah, it should be great for looks, but it's not bad to where if we turn it into a race car, it's not really gonna be feelings hurt. You know what I mean? I'm gonna say, you know what I'm saying. That sounds weird, but so we're gonna strap it to this tree, and then eventually, if he wants to go a cleaner route after we get a nice setup in here, we could get a cleaner shell, transfer all his stuff over because he likes the EK body, and then we could sell this. But I guess I'll start working away at it and update you guys. Alright guys, so I put a little jacket on, got a little cold down here, but we got this trailer strap. Like I said, it looks pretty good right here. I might have to beat it out this way, pause, and then hopefully it straightens out pretty nice, because it's not terrible, but I actually probably should have parked it this way and pulled it. So instead of beating it out, I'll probably change to the direction of this, and I don't know, I guess let's see what this does first. Now it's starting to get tight. It's pulling out a little bit. I should probably add heat to this, but with how bad it is. It's like, should I really heat it up? I mean, probably, because we're moving metal. But I lended my heat gun out to my dad, and it's not back yet, but I still have his Dremel. I had to borrow his Dremel, so I guess it's even. I mean, it's pretty much straight, guys. Let's see what it looks like. Come on. You guys see that? You see that? Alright. Yeah, I'll move the coupe this way, hook to this, and we'll try to get this pretty square. Probably gonna have to beat that out after I straighten this side. But update you guys in a bit. Like I said, strap to a tree, coupe is sideways. I think what I'm gonna do is just show you guys the end result, so I don't keep this vlog too long. And we're probably gonna try to fit the bumper on also, so to fit both of them in. I guess I'm gonna stay slaying over here. Just enjoy the vlog. Alright guys, so the strap might have washed me. Got hit in the eyebrow, had tension. I started pulling it out, and then once it started yanking it, it slipped. I'm bleeding. Not gonna hold you. Might have a black eye. Yeah, I got a black eye. It is what it is. I mean, it doesn't hurt, but as you see, I don't know. I might need stitches. I always get hurt when I record. Come on now. Alright, so as you guys know, I love using super glue, but maybe for this one I might need to go to the hospital. It's got open, and you can't really super glue where your eyebrow is. I don't know. I mean, it doesn't hurt, but obviously I need to keep it clean. Enjoy the vlog. Alright guys, so as you see, my eye's starting to get bigger, swollen. Still doesn't hurt. I mean, I'm starting to get a headache, obviously. But I sent Cody to Walmart so he could buy me some like butterfly stitch band-aids. Because, I mean, obviously, you know, in UFC and shit, that's what's used. And they're probably just going to shave my eyebrow off at the hospital. And you guys are like, damn, Slayer, you savage. You never go to the fucking hospital. Fuck no, I don't. If I got a choice, you're not going to see me at the hospital. But we're still working. We're still working. We're slaying over here. Come on. We're slaying. This is not going to stop me. I don't know what you're talking about. But, I mean, I'll finish pulling this some more. And then, I guess we'll do the front bumper and call it a day. Alright, update. Boom! Look at that, though. It's almost straight. I'm just going to beat this out with a hammer. It might have a little crease right here. I'm going to try to massage it out. But it's pretty close. It's not too bad. Especially the ghetto stuff we're doing. That's probably why I got hit. But this was all the way in, as you seen earlier. The ratchet strap was all the way on there. And I was ratcheting it. And then I wasn't right in front of it. I was over here looking to see how much. And I was ratcheting it right here. And somehow it chose to slide this way and hit me. But yeah, I mean. I think it's looking pretty good. I might be looking a little rough, but that's looking good. Alright guys, we still gunning. We're gunning over here. Look at that. Pretty straight. Got that pulled out. It's not looking too bad. Right here, I'm still trying to figure out what to do with this. I think we need to hit it in because it went in at an angle. I got the little metal plate because then on the EKs it bolts up right here. Then there's a stud that goes here, and There's a nut that goes on the inside. I have that almost straightened. We might need to put a Bondo on it if we ever keep that. Not sure. But right here is bowed out because it's supposed to go straight. But it goes and it goes up. So I'm not sure if I want to hit it in or try to hit this back. But come on. Sorry. It wouldn't switch. But I mean, it's not looking too bad. I thought my eye would be more swollen, and I kind of have a small black eye. I don't know. I honestly don't know. It is getting cold. Sun's going down. I think we might try to have the bumper on today. The front bumper. We don't have the back bumper. But, alright. I'm going to pull the car back up. Alright. So, this is the end of the video. I'm waiting because I might... What they did whenever it got hit, they hooked a little strap here, yanked it, and that's what's preventing me to put it on the bumper. If I take off the grill, we can put the bumper on. Pretty much lines up, but I don't know. I want to cut it because we already have a core support that we're going to order. We're going to replace the core support, put a new front end on it, fenders, hood, headlights, bumper, everything. So, little heads up. Some of you guys probably know what it's going to be. Got this pretty much straightened out. But I was going along with the taillight, not the trunk. I forgot to check that. So we'll massage that more. But it's honestly looking way better than whenever we first got it. I think you guys could probably agree. And then it pretty much lines up. But with this folded in, I'd at least have to cut right here. So I'll have to talk to Darrion about that. I'm sure he will tell me to cut it, but it's getting late, guys. I'm gonna go inside, shower, take care of my eyebrow. But I got these little butterfly closers, and I'm just gonna clean it up, use a band-aid. I'll be alright. So thank you for making it to the end of the video. Stay blessed, stay slaying, and catch you guys next time.